Hi guys, Ninja Man here. I'm going to do some washing today. This is my little washing machine. So what I've done is put some water in and a bit of stuff. This is just some of my gloves, hat and that, gloves and that, and a few other bits. So you put that on. Alright kids. Alright, let's get on. Right. Right, I lost the handle on this, so I thought, what can I do? I can't keep just doing it like that and spinning it round by hand. I was going to make myself an handle, but then I thought, I'm sure I've got a drill what I used to use when I was 16. Well, the first ever drill I ever bought, and I've still got it. Obviously it shows how good they was them days when they made Makita's drills. Anyway, I used to use this for drilling holes for locks and stuff like that, so I needed a drill what would go like clockwise and then you'd be able to take it anti-clockwise. Well, in them days didn't have all these cordless drills them days. I mean, at the time they did have cordless drills, the Makita ones, but there was 300 or 400 quid at the time. Anyway, I bought this, I paid it weekly. I'm going to put it on it now and see if it actually is going to work. So, what it is the old Makita drill, and on there is variable speed. Good thing about this one is it's for actually metal work, it's for drilling metal, but also it has a switch there so it can go clockwise or anti-clockwise. So that's clockwise. So I'm going to pop him on, tighten him up. I won't put a chucky on it, I'll do it without. And then hold that and then just slowly spin, yeah. Right, so now I'll adjust so the speed don't go as fast. Seems to be working it straight. Right, next thing is I'll flip it so it goes the opposite way for a little bit. And I would say that's done. Take that off. Certainly looks washed. All I need to do now, give them a little twist. There's an hat, one of my favourites. All I need to do now is hang them out. So, good job I didn't turn that into a little storage container that I was going to do. I decided to keep it as a washing machine. Banging. In a bit.